yoga kayo Swahili. Goa kayo Swahili. Sama yana yoga kaya. Dogo yoga kaya. Umar mga yoga kaya.
This is the journey to One Africa. Hey everybody, this is Mika and welcome back to SNOA. If you're new to this family, please subscribe, turn on the notification button, follow us on social media, Swahili Nation, Mika Chavala. But also if you'd like to support the work we're doing, go through the links in our description. PayPal, Patreon, membership, super chat, super sticker, super thanks, and it's gonna be amazing. Guys, we have an updates here. Actually coming from Tanzania, the country where I'm from. Masai protest evictions in Ngorongoro. The Masai community in Ngorongoro, Tanzania is engaged in a series of peaceful protests against the Tanzanian government action. They are opposing forced eviction from their ancestral lands, which the government plans to convert into conservation area and tourism sites, including hunting, concessions for foreign entities. The protests include blocking major highways, demanding basic social services, voting rights, and an end to rights suppressions. Reports indicate that the government has retaliated by cutting off essential services like water, food, and medical supplies to coerce the Masai into leaving. There are also allegations of abductions and violent detections by government forces. These actions have spotlighted broader human rights issues, prompting calls for international intervention to halt the eviction and ensure the Masai's rights are respected. Alright guys, this is not easy news for me to share with you, because I am from Tanzania and I am in Tanzania. I think this is one of the things that it really give bad image about this country, this beautiful country. There's a lot of good things are going on the ground, but this issue of Masai, this is not the first time. It started many years ago, and I think government have responsibility to do something. If these report that we see cutting out all this water, food, medical supplies, because we see Masai is actually protesting, holding banners, showing that, bring back our water. How do you expect us to continue to live without water, without food, without all those, important supply? I think this is not how it's supposed to be. I gave my opinion before, and this is what I'm going to say once again, that my opinion is this, that when you want to evacuate people because of development projects and plans, first and foremost, you need to talk to these people. And I remember last year, even the Prime Minister of Tanzania, Kassim Majaliwa, he went there to meet with Masai. First of all, you need to meet and to talk with them. You need to negotiate with them. You need to tell them what exactly you want to do, and you need to ask them. Because as a government, you need to do the will of the people. So if people say, no, we don't want to leave, I don't see the reason why they should be evacuated. Because imagine, just think about this. You have been, from your hometown, you're coming from hometown, 100 years, thousands of years, your ancestors have been living there. That is your land. That is your ancestral land. That's where you have everything. That's where your grandpa, your granddaddy, perhaps that's where even cemetery, where you bury your ancestors, are there. These people have been living in this area for years, for many years. There should be a way. They should figure out the way. The government should figure out the way how to treat well these Masais. It's not just about, talking, discussing, and deciding that, okay, this is it. Now you need to leave. Okay, you need to leave. This is that. Man, if today, I don't even know what to say. You can't remove people from their home just because you want to improve tourism and expect them to be okay. This means if they are still protesting and denying, because there is no proper communication between Masai and the government, because there is no proper compensation between them, because if you remove them, then where are you placing them to? You need to negotiate, you need to talk to them for them to actually understand and to know that this is the place where we're going to be brought to, and this is how we're going to be compensated. This is the land that we're going to be given. But if you see Masai protesting right now, and a lot of people are actually raising their voices, they're being vocal about this issue, even international organizations and human rights organizations, raising their, for me, that is not really my concern, because I don't like interference. But my concern is when I see my people, these Masai people, protesting, demonstrating, holding these banners, talking about, I think this is, in Swahili we say, this is the big dosari in the government of Tanzania, because there's a lot of good things are going on. But this one, now there's an international tension about this issue, about this matter, and I think this is not something that we could just stay silent. You know what I'm saying? Because there's a tension that is happening, and we know that these places have been given to some people, for tourism projects and all this stuff. But I think people are more important than this project we're thinking about. And in Tanzania, God has blessed us with a huge land, so many touristic attractions. We have all the reason to protect our people first before anything else. People should come first. The concerns of the people should come first before anything else. The well-being of the people should come first before anything else. It's as simple as that. But this thing, man, honestly, it's hard to talk about this, but we have to talk about this. Because these are our people. Okay, when you're talking about Masai, I've seen some of the comments, people talking about, okay, these people, they're not having proper education. That's why government is trying to remove them, to bring them somewhere else, where there's schools, where there's all. This is what I'm saying. The government is able to actually build schools in these villages. And you cannot change Masai. It's like telling Masai today to start wearing like Western people. No. You cannot. That is how they live. That is their culture. That's their belief. And you cannot just change them at a time that, okay, want you guys to be like this. No. We need to merge. I believe that the government is there to work for the will of the people. And the people, as long as they're not breaking the law, then they're on the right side. So that's why they're protesting peacefully, asking that, hey, guys, this is our ancestral land. Don't remove us here. Bring back food. Bring back, water. Don't cut the electricity, because these are our ancestral land and we deserve to be here rightfully. This is our rightful land. So, okay, I can say a lot of things here, but what is conclusion? What do I think is the solution? The solution, I think government should sit down again with Masai. Should go back there and ask them, really to get to know, what does Masai want? What does the people want? Because that should be the first concern. What does Masai want? Guys, okay, let me say this again. These people are living in their land. They've been there for hundreds and thousands of years. So removing them is not just something that it can be done in a single day. No. You need to meet their need. You need to meet their requirements. You really need to sit down to negotiate, to talk to them, to make sure that they understand. They know that we're not just being taken away our land. No, but we're being listened, and there's a proper way to solve these issues. That's what, because I think that is the job of the government, to build trust between the government and the people. And we're going, we're going to have election very soon this year and next year as well. This could be something that really can change, direction of the election as well. I mean, if you meet their need, obviously these are people who are voting for you. They will vote for you. But if you take them away, what do you think? What do you expect is going to happen? So my suggestion is that government, I think you have to sit down. We have heard the government side is saying that they have a beautiful plan, transform this place. And also, I mean, in any single touristic attraction, when there's a huge population of people, land might be broken and the animals might run away, and these are tourist attraction. That means the money that will be generated through tourism is not going to be generated no longer. So that's why they need to replace some people. That's why they need to reduce the population, basically depopulating the people in Ngorongoro, to leave that space for tourism and everything. All right, you have good intention, but what are the concerns of the people? What do they want? The people, what do they want? I think that is the most important thing. And I think people should come first before anything else. If Masai, they don't want it, they have a reason why they don't want it. If you want them to leave, then you have to meet their needs. Otherwise, I think Masai should be left behind. That is just my personal opinion. So you guys who are watching as well, I know government might be listening and common mwananchi might be watching and listening as well. What are your suggestions? Let us know in the comment section. What are your suggestions? What do you think the government should do? What do you think Masai should do? If you have any opinion, whatever it is, now it is your time to leave it in the comment section. Appreciate, guys. Blessed up. God bless.